Many of the decisions have really been made a long time ago.
Nuclear war in Europe, then it will be a missile exchange between the United States and the Soviet Union.
We want to have a capability to negotiate and terminate any of these kind of conflicts at the earliest possible time. It might be, for example, that they would even avoid the city of Washington as we might avoid the city of Moscow in order to leave a government in place of some nature to negotiate and terminate these things once they get started through inadvertent mistake, madness, or what have you.
Andrew, of all these methods, what sort of suffering does the victim endure? Well, the firing squad is assumed to be instantaneous, provided they can shoot properly. Hanging is slightly controversial because it's a skill. The neck should be broken instantaneously. If it isn't, then the person just is strangled to death. Guillotine itself should be instantaneous. Stoning and the sword is a bit barbaric and really shouldn't be used in the 20th century. And the injection itself, the initial fast-acting barbiturate, puts the victim asleep, and then the muscle action stops them breathing.
What about the electric chair that awaits them in America?
The electric chair has its problems. After the first shot, it can take up to 6 minutes for the person to cool down.
It's no joke when you're down on the government side. You just got out of line and they put you inside. The long thing from the God is supposed to be free. You just know where they are, they let them opportunity. Good things put the money for them, they go and get stuff. And they go and start stuff, cause they haven't had enough. They wanna pose after they do. Running in the slamming to their things. Oh, that's what I want. Don't let my vision slip away. Let me fight for another day. Don't ever let me part. If I do, I'll fall apart. They make our lives like a prison missing off the inside. The economy is bleeding, the papers outline. And the food is gone down to everyone's in on the street. It's the ultimate stupidity, nothing to the street. Don't let my vision slip away. Let me fight for another day. Don't ever let me lose heart. If I do, I'll fall apart. It's no